Welcome to Bizmetric's capabilities of Gen AI. Let's shed some light on what generative AI is. It's the engine of modern creativity which enables machines to generate new content, mimicking human creativity at scale. There are two types of Gen AI models. First is text models where you can find GPT-3, Lambda, and Llama. Another one is multimodal models which incorporates GPT-4, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and ProGen. Generative AI is projected to capture 30% of the AI market by 2025, a $60 billion opportunity. Bizmetric's numerous capabilities of generative AI. Data processing which converts PDFs to structured formats, audio processing which transforms audio to text. Customer service bot which provides accurate, fast responses with OpenAI. IT bot which efficiently handles ticket submissions and notifications. HR bot which enhances query handling with accurate, fine-tuned responses. Now that you have learned about the capabilities, let's focus on the reasons to choose Bizmetric for Gen AI solutions. Microsoft Premium Data and AI Solutions Partner. Specializes in the complete suite of Azure apps and services. Over 350 certified and experienced consultants. Serves manufacturing, BFSI, retail, and healthcare sectors. Ready to revolutionize your data strategy with generative AI? Contact us today at marketing@bizmetric.com.